Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common kitchen mishap, burnt food. That's right, we're going to show you how to remove the burnt smell from food and save your dinner in the process. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and leave us a comment down below about your most memorable kitchen disaster. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Step 1. Assess the situation. First things first, how bad is the burn? If your dish is only slightly scorched, there's hope. If it's completely blackened and inedible, it's best to start afresh. But for those salvageable meals, let's get that burnt smell out. Step 2. Remove the burnt parts. Carefully remove the burnt parts of the food with a knife, making sure not to cut too deep into the unaffected areas. You can also use a spoon to gently scrape off any charred bits. This will help reduce the burnt smell and improve the overall taste of your dish. Step 3. Use the right tip or tips. Once you've completed steps 1 and 2, look at the following tips and use whichever is most applicable to your situation. 1. Use vinegar as an odor neutralizer. Vinegar is a great natural odor neutralizer. If you're cooking a dish that can handle a little tang, try adding a splash of vinegar to help neutralize the burnt smell. This works especially well for soups, stews, and sauces. Just make sure to start with a small amount and taste as you go, so you don't overpower the dish. 2. Add a slice of bread. This old-fashioned trick works wonders for absorbing odors. If you've burned a pot of rice, soup, or sauce, place a slice of bread on top of the dish and let it sit for a few minutes. The bread will help absorb the burnt smell, making your dish more palatable. 3. Use a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda is another natural odor neutralizer that can help remove the burnt smell from your food. Simply sprinkle a pinch of baking soda into your dish and mix well. Just be cautious when using this trick, as too much baking soda can alter the flavor of your meal. 4. Add a teaspoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is a surprising ingredient that can help mask the burnt smell in dishes like stews, soups, or chili. Add a teaspoon of peanut butter, preferably unsweetened, and mix it in well. The nutty flavor will help to neutralize the burnt smell without drastically changing the overall taste of your dish. 5. Use the power of citrus. Citrus fruits like lemon or orange can help to counteract burnt smells in your food. Try adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a few drops of orange zest to your dish to give it a fresh, vibrant aroma. This tip works especially well for dishes that can handle a bit of acidity or brightness, such as salads, grilled vegetables, or seafood. 6. Use a brewed tea bag. Brew a strong cup of tea, remove the tea bag, and let it cool slightly. Then, place the tea bag on top of the burnt area of your dish for a few minutes. The tannins in the tea can help neutralize the burnt smell without affecting the flavor of your meal. 7. Add a little sugar or honey. A small amount of sugar or honey can help counteract the bitterness of burnt food. Just be cautious not to add too much, as you don't want to make your dish overly sweet. This trick works particularly well for sauces and stews, but may not be suitable for all dishes. 8. Use activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is known for its ability to absorb odors. Place a small bowl of activated charcoal near your cooking area to help absorb the burnt smell in the air. This won't directly remove the burnt smell from your food, but it can help freshen up your kitchen space. 9. Cook with a potato. If you burned a pot of soup or stew, try adding a peeled and halved potato to the dish. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes before removing it. The potato will help absorb some of the burnt smell, making your dish more enjoyable. Be aware that this method may not work for all dishes and can alter the texture of your meal. 10. Aerate your dish. If you've burned a dish that can be spread out, like a casserole or baked pasta, try aerating it by transferring it to a larger dish and gently stirring or fluffing it up. This will expose more surface area to the air, which can help dissipate the burnt smell. Be cautious when using this method, as it might not be suitable for all types of food and can potentially affect the presentation of your meal. 11. Rinse with cold water. For some dishes, rinsing the affected area with cold water can help wash away any lingering burnt taste. Just be sure to pat your food dry with a paper towel before returning it to the heat, as excess moisture can affect the cooking process. 12. Add some fresh ingredients. Introduce some fresh ingredients or herbs to your dish to help mask the burnt smell. For example, if you're cooking a pasta sauce, you can add fresh basil, oregano, or parsley to help neutralize the burnt scent. 13. Simmer or steam. If you're cooking a sauce or a dish with liquid, try simmering it on low heat for a while to help dissipate the burnt smell. For other dishes, such as rice or vegetables, steaming them can help remove any lingering burnt odor. Step 4. Serve with confidence. Now that you've done your best to remove the burnt smell from your food, plate it up and serve with confidence. Remember, nobody's perfect, and sometimes a little mishap can lead to a delicious, memorable meal. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you can save your dinner and get rid of that pesky burnt smell from your food. So, the next time you accidentally burn your food, don't panic. Just follow our tips, and you'll be a kitchen hero in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.